what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the Sara Squad Studios 2.0. Today is the first video of Vlogmas 2022 जहाँ 25 days के लिए I am going to be posting every single day. Yes, you heard that right. Daily uploads हर रोज सारा को झेलना पड़ेगा और अब इस न्यू घर से झेलना पड़ेगा. You all have waited long enough and seen the tedious process of building this studio apartment from scratch. इसको ढूंढने से बनाने से हर एक चीज के हर एक प्रोसेस में my Sara squad has been a part of it. So of course this reveal had to be grand. Let's first begin by telling you all कि जब ये घर मैं डिजाइन कर रही थी और सोच रही थी इसके बारे में तो what did I have initially in mind? Firstly I already had a lot of furniture जो मेरे पहले अपार्टमेंट में मैंने किया था वो भी मैंने बहुत बजट में किया था because I was just starting out my independent lifestyle of moving out and staying alone and that was my first home by myself. तो वो घर से जो भी सामान था I did want to use it. I did not want to give it all away but restyle it, you know, revamp it, make it look more modern, more chic, more stylish और एक नया नक्शा देना था. But ये भी एक रेंटल घर है, it's not my own house, so I had to do everything on a budget. I cannot make too many permanent changes because that will just waste my money and I cannot take it along with me जब मैं ये घर छोड़ दूंगी 3 साल बाद. So that way it's a very rental friendly apartment and a lot of smart planning is done over here. Okay, like अगर आप हर एक कोने में देखोगे you will see it's not just aesthetic कि वो सिर्फ सुंदर दिखता नहीं है, बहुत ज़्यादा functional भी बनाया है इस घर को so that everyone who comes here, all of my team members from my family, my friends and myself, हम सब एकदम अच्छे से इसमें comfortably रह सके, comfortably काम कर सके and nobody is at discomfort or feels like you know हर जगह mess पड़ा है because last घर में मेरे पास इतनी बड़ी टीम नहीं थी, मेरे पास लोग ही नहीं थे and इतना काम भी नहीं था. I did not know कि मुझे किधर क्या रखना चाहिए and how people will like to use this house. So this time it's smarter, it's better, it's more functional, more aesthetic and again on a budget. Certain things are on a budget, certain things मैंने थोड़ी प्रीमियम करने की कोशिश की है because now mashallah I can afford a lot more than I could last time when I was making my house. So keeping all of that in mind, आपको याद होगा सारा स्क्वाड स्टूडियो का हमने ये नियॉन साइन बोर्ड बना के लिया था लास्ट घर में बियॉन्ड नियॉन से. This had to be the statement again in this house also and I wanted it to be the first thing जो घर में घुसते के साथ दिखे because that's sort of like a branding and a reminder for okay you've come to my house, you know. So that's kind of the thing that वो रखना ही था हमको घर में. But इस बार of course to change up the colors and different mood and different restyle करने के लिए हमने पूरी wall का color बदल दिया है. It was on a blue wall before and now we've opted for this really dark burgundy color which is a fine wine by Asian Paints. Honestly loved the color. The minute the first stroke हुआ ना ये दीवार पे I was so sure of this color. It's very bold, it's very different and it's very risky also. Not a lot of people would opt for such a dark color but अगर उसको right तरीके से style करो it changes the way your house looks and people do get attracted to this wall. The first thing they see. Last time अगर आप notice करोगे हमारे पास एक ही कुर्सी थी because वो दीवार छोटी थी but ये दीवार पे I have upgraded finally. हमने गद्दे हटा के सोफा बनवाया guys. ये सोफे ने मुझे इतने मतलब चैन की नींद सब कुछ निकाल दिया है because my सोफे वाला gave me a lot of त्रास. Okay, he annoyed the living hell out of me because I tried to match this sofa to the chair that we previously had and I wanted the stitch work to be exactly the same but color नया लेना था because burgundy wall पे हम कौन सा color ले सकते थे तो we went for this baby pink color. It's a velvet sofa and it's custom made. Kite pattern है पीछे stitch work में on the armrest and it's a 2-seater. 3 लोग भी बैठ सकते हैं and अच्छे से लेट भी सकते हैं if you want to. I don't fit into the sofa but shorter people can fit into the sofa. I had to make more place for seating in the living room because last time हमारे पास गद्दे थे and गद्दे work just fine. अगर आप rental house में हो तो गद्दे and Indian seating and नीचे बैठना is perfect. मुझे अभी भी नीचे बैठना बहुत पसंद है but I just want to upgrade to a sofa to fill this wall and make it look more complete and wholesome. इसके side पे I've added this green traveler's palm. As you can see बहुत धूप आती है घर में तो living plants can survive a lot better. It gets direct light, पर्दे खींच दो तो it gets indirect light and it was there in my previous studio room also. It's a real plant, it's not fake. तो ये wall पे ज्यादा कुछ accent नहीं किया है because of course the neon signboard is the main feature but neon sign का main fact है कि अगर उसको जलाओ तो बहुत गर्मी होती है so we don't actually light this up. It just stays like as a signboard. So for the light in this room I have added this spotlight which actually changes 3 colors. Lighting पे अगर आपने मेरा studio room tour भी देखा होगा you would know I have spent a lot of money in lights because lights do change up the mood and aesthetic जो आप feel करते हो. जिस तरीके से आप feel करते हो उस तरीके से आप light up कर सकते हो अपने घर को and इसमें 3 lights है, warm light, daylight and white light. So whatever my house people are feeling they can switch it on accordingly and जब मैं घर छोड़ के जाती हूँ I just keep this light on so it's actually very useful. ये मैंने एक DN नगर की दुकान से लिया है which is called Nagrik Lights. मैं सारे description में details आपके लिए छोड़ दूंगी if you're interested and you want to get anything for yourself or for your house, and that pretty much completes this main feature wall that we have in the house. Let's move to what is in front of me. That is parde. Okay, for the curtains in this house, just like मैंने studio room tour में भी बोला था कि curtains do change the way your house looks, and for a house जिसमें इतनी ज़्यादा धूप आती है, curtains are very important. Since this window is much bigger, तो हमने दो तरह के curtains लिए, sheers भी लिए हैं and opaque वाले भी लिए. Went for a more off-white color, pure white नहीं लिया है, because the warmth that a living room gives, you know, this is more of a chill spot. अगर मेरी टीम घर में आती है तो सीधा इधर आके नहीं बैठते, उन लोग जाके काम पे लगते हैं. तो जब उनको chill करना है, जब खाना खाना है, snacks खाने, that's when they come in this room. So if we pull the curtains, it should give more of a warmth, and that is the vibe of this living room. So that's why off-white curtains and sheers with opaque is perfect. जितनी light हमको block करनी है shoot के time पे भी ये एकदम perfect amount में block हो जाता है. ये भी पूरा set मैंने 4000 में बना के लिया था, and this is also from Super, which is a shop in Goregaon. I do have a lot of plants in the window outside. Also, I love plants. अभी तक I haven't figured the plant sunlight situation over here, so we're gonna close that and let's move on. Coming to the corner which is opposite the pink sofa, जो नया नया आया है, the main sofa chair जो मैंने last time बनाया था was this yellow chair. Yellow is very true to my personality. It's my happy color. And ये एक ही piece of furniture मैंने last time invest किया था last घर में, only for me to sit, because तभी मैं सिर्फ अकेली थी, तो I used to sit, I used to ideate. I have a lot of emotional attachment to this chair. Plus it's super comfortable. ये मैंने कशेली जाके एक दुकान से बहुत सस्ते में बनवा के लिया था at that time, and it's really very comfortable, very sturdy as a chair. तो neon साइन येलो थी, इसलिए येलो चेयर वेंट रियली वेल, और पिंक सोफा था, इसलिए वी नीडेड पिंक एक्सेंट्स ओवर हियर इन दिस कॉर्नर. सो वी गॉट द पिंक ट्री जो मैंने वो घर में डाला था. दिस इज फ्रॉम ग्रीन डेकोर इन शास्त्री नगर, लोखंडवाला अंधेरी, एंड दिस इज अ वेरी गुड फेक ट्री बिकॉज इसमें बिल्कुल मेंटेनेंस नहीं लगता है, पूरा टाइम खिला खिला ही लगता है, एंड बहुत अच्छा लगता है. शूट्स में भी एंड एज एन एस्थेटिक इट इज एक्सपेंसिव. इट्स फॉर 5000, बट आई थिंक इट्स सच अ नाइस स्टेटमेंट पीस, एंड बहुत अच्छे से सोफे को टाई करता है. ऐसा लगता है इट्स सपोज्ड टू बी हियर, बट इट्स एक्चुअली रीस्टाइल्ड. Again, to keep the pink aesthetic going, we've got this golden frame जो मैंने IKEA से लिया था, and I mixed and matched these pink photos जो मृदुल ने मेरे mystery box में डाले थे. It has a lot of fonts and some darker pink colors, some light pink colors, and मैं बहुत देर तक सोच रही थी कि what should I put inside this frame. I couldn't think of one thing. So these multiple things together actually makes for a really good framework, and it turned out really great. मैंने 15 मिनट में इसको पीछे पेस्ट कर दिया था. We do have the evil eye on top, okay guys? We do have it on top. Sakshi disagreed, and a lot of people in the comment section in Sara Squad also disagreed, but अभी के लिए वो नजर उधर ही रखिए ताकि मेरे घर को नजर ना लगे. ये कीला इधर ऑलरेडी था, तो I was like क्या रखूं, तो ये एकदम परफेक्ट जम गया इधर. इधर I have kept my Simba lifestyle journals. I've got the gratitude journal and the 5-year planner over here, and I've kept the IKEA cactus thingy decor, just like a book stopper thing. So it just completes this whole corner. Of course, अगर आप घर में घुसे होगे तो ये सबसे पहली चीज आपको दिखी होगी. Another piece of investment I would say is this beautiful pendant lamp, जो लगभग मुझे अगर मैं हाथ करूँ तो हिलने ही लगेगा. But it's so cool. I always wanted a pendant lamp in my house. It gives a bungalow vibe, whereas I'm living in a small flat. But it's very grand looking, okay? And it's superb lighting. Like रात को it's a mood. पूरा रूम एकदम एस्थेटिकली लाइट अप हो जाता है, उसका मूड शिफ्ट हो जाता है मेरे घर का. एंड मुझे बहुत ज्यादा पसंद आई ये लैम्प, एंड इट इज हैविंग दिस स्मोक ब्लैक ग्लास एंड इनसाइड वेरी डिफ्यूज्ड बल्ब्स. दिस इज आल्सो फ्रॉम नागरिक लाइट्स, एंड इधर ऑलरेडी एक होल था इन द वॉल, व्हिच इज व्हाई आई हैड टू पुट अ लैम्प ओवर हियर टू फिल इट अप. इंस्टेड ऑफ गोइंग फॉर अ वॉल लैम्प, आई वेंट फॉर अ पेंडेंट लैम्प सो दैट इट लुक्स really pretty and just ties the whole space really well together. Let's talk about another piece of furniture that came from the previous home, not fudge. We are talking about this coffee table जो IKEA से मैंने लिया था. सबसे सस्ता सुंदर टिकाऊ coffee table is this black British Joe coffee table, and it's two tiered, so you can keep something नीचे, and you have this glass top over here. Very modern minimalistic furniture piece. I really like that. I've kept a dark velvet oud, which is a great winter candle from Bath and Body Works. It's got a very strong ittar fragrance, and this pink vase also from IKEA, और इसमें ये white फूल मैंने आज ही अपने आप के लिए खरीदे because nobody else gifts me flowers, so I'm buying it for myself. And then we've got this white quartz crystal. What I love about this house is that there's constant sunshine. तो मेरे crystals इतने अच्छे से चमकते हैं ना, and they constantly get this new energy and new positivity and they're getting recharged constantly. I really like that. So I've kept my white quartz over here only. It stays on this coffee table. पहले भी ये coffee table ऐसी था, and I have one coaster over here. This is from Westside Home. I have these coasters all around the house because I don't like people keeping their coffee mugs on the glass and then वो जो rim आ जाता है, और मैं खुद ही इतना coffee पीती हूँ, so I always need coasters everywhere. You know, if you keep these things around, people will tend to keep their glasses on it. अगर होगा ही नहीं तो फिर सब लोग आपका furniture गंदा ही करने वाले हैं, तो इसलिए keep that in mind. On the second row of the coffee table, I have this very beautiful leaf plate जो Olive Home Accents ने मुझे भेजा था. I love the accent pieces so much because they are nice and big, very good premium quality, and at the same time this color blue is like a standout. पूरा living room एकदम yellow, pink and off-white warmer colors में है, so this blue is like a standout piece, and I've got this very beautiful hugging candle which is in the mocha variant, very beautiful fragrance also, and I love what it embodies. Oh my god, the worst thing about candles is जैसी ये गिरती है ना तो उसका shape खराब हो जाता है, but this is from Molded Luxury and they send this to me and it's super cute, so I love to keep it in the living room only. And ये leaf plate is a great thing to keep नीचे, तो जो भी घर में आते wires, chargers, फज की आग की दवाई, मेरी दवाइयाँ, जो भी मुझे coffee table पे चाहिए वो सब कुछ ये leaf plate में जाता है. And then we've got a box of tissues which is in this tissue box holder from Amazon, because again अगर आप साफ सफाई की चीजें रखोगे तो लोग यूज करेंगे और साफ रखेंगे अपने हाथ, और गंदे हाथ कहीं भी मेरे लिविंग रूम के फर्नीचर पे नहीं लगेगा, so bear that in mind. जमीन पे बैठना हम सबको पसंद है और गद्दे तो चले गए, but I wanted something comfortable, especially also for Fudge because Fudge loves rugs. Okay, he loves wiping his face after he's eaten food on rugs, and he does this thing जो मैंने vlogs में आपको बहुत बार बताया होगा, वो self clean करता है अपने आप को rugs की help से. And I got this very nice premium looking rug जो बहुत मेरे को सस्ते में मिला है because I found this one uncle जो पापा ने ढूंढ के निकाले actually, जो बैक रोड पे से ठेले पे बेच रहे थे rugs, and उनका एक गोडाउन एक गली के अंदर है. उनका कॉन्टैक्ट मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में जरूर छोड़ूंगी. डेफिनेटली अगर आपको आपके घर के लिए अच्छे प्रीमियम रग्स चाहिए, चेक हिम आउट, शाउट आउट टू हिम. दीस रग्स इफ यू गो इन शोरूम्स टू बाय गाइस 25-30 हजार के मिलते हैं, एंड दिस इज लाइक दिस ज्योग्राफिकल पैटर्न. इसमें ऐसा वर्ल्ड मैप वाला फीलिंग आता है. इट्स इन 3 टोन्स, देयर इज अ डार्क ब्राउन, अ लाइट ब्राउन एंड अ बेज, एंड वेरी नाइस. जब लाइट गिरती है तो अलग अलग तरह से शाइन होता है, और ये पूरे रूम का ऑफ व्हाइट एंड बेज वार्म टोन्स को अच्छे से टाई करता है, एकदम वार्म टोन्ड लिविंग रूम के लिए. इट्स अ परफेक्ट मैच. दरवाजा खोलते के साथ व्हेन यू लुक ऑन द लेफ्ट there's this big white wall जो हमने white ही रखी है because we keep needing white spaces to shoot certain content. कोई brands को एकदम white wall चाहिए होता है. This is that white wall that they can access. I have changed the lights in this house. हर जगह मैंने ट्यूब लाइट लगा दी है because इधर बिल्कुल surface LEDs थे नहीं. These are also 3-tone tube lights by Siska plug-in, not sponsored, but ये भी 3-tone अच्छा है because again मूड चेंज कर सकते हैं, तो व्हाइट, वार्म, येलो जो भी चाहिए वो. Here begins the accessibility counter that I have created everywhere. This is the shoe rack which is filled with all my daily shoes. Now mummy was very much of the opinion that I should put the shoe rack outside the house, but I kept it inside just because I don't tend to remove my shoes outside the house. मेरी nature of habit है कि मैं घर में आके shoes अंदर निकालती हूँ, so it's best कि I remove it and then later I just put it inside this and just shove it with my daily wear shoes, and that's why I've kept it here. Certain things you have to do because you are tuned and you have a habit in a certain way. You cannot change your habits all the time and come up with new organization skills all the time. So this is perfect for that. Over here I've kept my cross and Mother Mary because I do believe in both my religions very much, and this is the dua that I believe in the most, that is Ayatul Kursi. I do actually want to put up the Ayatul Kursi above the door. Entryway के पास Ayatul Kursi होनी चाहिए. So वो carpenter uncle आ ही नहीं रहे और मेरा drilling कर ही नहीं रहे, इसलिए वो अभी इधर है. I think Feng Shui का ये turtle है जो मुझे mystery box में a subscriber gifted it to me, and it's supposed to be kept with the head in the north. It's basically for good luck, prosperity, all of that. I don't believe in Feng Shui that much, but because मुझे गिफ्ट में आया है तो मैंने इसको इधर रखा है. Another very cute element I have over here, ये बेल का बटन है, उसके ऊपर मैंने ये डॉग की टेल लगा रखी है जो IKEA से. It's actually a key holder, and सारे घर की चाबियां, मम्मी के घर की, मेरे घर की, बाइक की, गाड़ी की, सब जगह की चाबियां बेसिकली इधर है ताकि मैं चाबी ना भूल जाऊं, because I have this very bad habit of forgetting my keys, so I've kept it right over here कि घर से निकलते समय चाबी लेना है और घर में घुसते के साथ इधर टंगाना है, so you never misplace your keys. Next to the shoe rack we have this TV unit which is also from IKEA. इसमें 2 levels है और ये same variant का है जिसका मेरा टीपॉय है Vittish जो IKEA का variant है. It's got a black top and 2 tiers of glass and again that black base, so it has a lot of compartments for me to keep my things like my printer because it needed a space somewhere, and my speakers. We blast music in this house and everything black looks really good. We've got the woofer of the speaker and I've accentuated it with this vintage Canon camera जो मैंने चोर बाजार से लिया था, और फिर ये pampas grass which is in this very beautiful half rainbow shaped vase from Olive Home Accents. Beautiful quality. I have another vase over here that's this mask like black thing जो almost mask हो जाता है corner में, but it's a great piece of vase again if I want to switch it up. And got these molded luxury candles in rainbow, the vanilla, very sweet nice fragrance. And again something that a subscriber sent to me, जो है मेरी Impulse Coffees के launch shoot वाली फोटो जो ये रेजिन में कर रखा है, एंड फज का नाम भी है इस पे, तो इट्स ऑन ईजिल, ये मैंने लास्ट घर में भी रखा था, इट्स सुपर क्यूट. तो अभी तक आप ये दीवार का वाइब समझ गए होंगे. इट्स अ व्हाइट वॉल विद ब्लैक पीसेस ऑफ फर्नीचर, सो व्हाइट एंड ब्लैक इज द मिनिमल एस्थेटिक ओवर हियर. नेक्स्ट टू द टीवी यूनिट वी हैव अनदर IKEA furniture which is this bar trolley. It's actually for storing anything that you want, and I have never ended up keeping any bar items in this trolley because हमेशा ये कोई ना कोई दूसरी चीज के लिए यूज हो जाता है. Currently we are using it for spy cards and multi plugs that we want to extend from this switchboard to here. तो लोग यहाँ पे बैठ के काम करते हैं, उनको switch plug लगता है फोन चार्ज करने, for me also to charge my devices and also that's why I've kept 2 spy cards over here, and just to mask it, it's inside this trolley. In the second row I have some coffee mugs, all of them almost are from Olive Home Accents, and third counter we've got some Impulse का storage, extra pieces. इसका नाम तो bar trolley है, but ये बहुत multi-purpose है because इसमें पहिए है, तो you can take it wherever you want. If I want to use these switch plugs in that corner of the house, if somebody's coming and I want to serve them something and want to keep a lot of plates, I can actually use it for other things also. So I've not cluttered it, but it's in the living room. The coolest piece of framework that I've added in the living room is this hustle frame. We have basically the definition of hustle over here that says to have the self-belief, determination, courage and work ethic to put yourself out there to achieve your goals, overcoming obstacles along the way. And it's basically motivation for me and my team and everybody, because here we hustle with SAR, and also Impulse Coffee's tagline is experience the hustle. So I think it was very on brand, plus great motivation and pick me up for us when we are not feeling it और जब काम करने का बिल्कुल मन नहीं करे, तो exactly work desk के ऊपर ही hustle का frame लगा रखा है. Moving on to what is another favorite place in my house now. You guys, I have a freaking coffee bar in my house with my own brand Impulse Coffees का product. This is a pinch me dream come true in Sarah Squad Studios 2.0. This is my most favorite, hands down most favorite corner in the house. इसका पूरा टूर और इन डेप्थ क्या क्या कहाँ रखा है मैंने सब कुछ Impulse Coffees के चैनल पे डाला है, because this is very close to my heart. Trust me, last घर में also I wanted a coffee bar from the beginning. वो जो दीवार थी बड़ी सी वो घर में I wanted to put it up, but I did not have the money to do it up the way I wanted to do it up in my head. So I canned the idea. Then Impulse Coffee started in the house and I made a small nook and corner for the coffee bar. तो slowly करके अभी properly हमारे पास coffee bar है जो actually Impulse Coffees की टीम काम करती है. तो ये सारे drawers में उनका ही सामान है, हर चीज packaging, operations, हर एक चीज related. And if you remember, these are the vanity drawers from the last Sarah Squad Studios, and I have repurposed this piece of furniture from IKEA for now storing Impulse Coffees का सामान. तो these are chest of drawers and you can use it for anything. All the details of accent pieces और इधर क्या क्या रखा है वो सब आपको Impulse के चैनल पे मिल जाएगा. And I wanted to ideally put a dining table over here in front because so that it gives a घर का vibe also and घर के जैसा लगे while also being useful to my office staff. But then I realized that dining tables are very expensive. इतने ज़्यादा महंगे dining tables, मतलब 50, 60, 80 हज़ार के dining tables मिल रहे थे. So I repurposed another piece of furniture from my previous home, which was this kids table. This is a kids desk just for 4,000 from IKEA, and it fit perfectly in this area because it's just enough to fit 4 people. सभी के laptops इसमें आ जाते हैं. Already मेरे पास एक कुर्सी थी पहले वाले स्टूडियो रूम में, अगर आपको याद होगा, तो मैंने एक और कुर्सी वही मैचिंग खरीद ली है. जो लास्ट टाइम का स्टूडियो रूम था वही स्टूडियो रूम उठा के मैंने इधर रख दिया है, but it's a coffee bar aesthetic. So this is what I was talking about, restyling my previous pieces in a new way. That's what I've managed to do over here majorly. And again, emotional attachment to all the pieces of furniture that first were in my studio room. So I love this corner. And over here I have my wall of memories, I would say. This is a grill that I got from IKEA again. It's a gold grill. And ये ऐसे pins के साथ आता है, तो आप उसमें कुछ भी लगा सकते हो. आप अपनी to-do list या कुछ reminders भी रख सकते हो. But I have put some memories and some moments of my life which I always want to remember. So I have my first car, my dream vacation to Santorini, and the day Fudge came into our lives, the day I held Ishan for the first time, launching Impulse Coffees, my first brand, the day my best friend Ifra left, I have crossing 100k subscribers, and me graduating from med school. So I have Dr. Sarah Sarosh and graduating with Pooja and Roshni also over here. And I have a note over here from YouTube Next Up, क्योंकि YouTube Next Up I think was the changing point in my life. That is what changed my career as a YouTuber, and I definitely want to remember that the most for me. So this is a note that they wrote for my graduation, so I keep it here. Also, it's big, so it hides the switchboard over here, so it's multi-purpose. It reminds me of all the good things that happened to my life. I also have my head girl and my prefect wale batches from school. College से I have this bioethics community का pin, क्योंकि मैं हर 4 साल में bioethics का part थी in medical school. Things I'm proud of, things I want to remember, things that remind me and ground me for the memories that I've made in my life are on this wall. So it's very wholesome and I love it. Next to it, we've got our kitchen. This is a sign कि मैं बड़ी हो गई हूँ guys, because kitchen देख के जो खुशी मिलती है ना, वो घर में और कोई corner को देख के नहीं मिलती है, because this kitchen came so well done. आपने Hempty home tour में ही देखा होगा. It's very functional. हर एक जगह इन लोगों ने cabinets दिए हैं, अच्छे से बंद होते हैं, and they all are very nicely color matched also. There's beige, there's glass. अगर आप रेंटल के घर में किचन बनाने गए तो gone, because it's a permanent expense and very very expensive. So I did not have to do any of that. I was lucky that way. It was a criteria for me जब मैं house hunting कर रही थी कि अच्छा kitchen मिलना चाहिए. So first I've kept my Quran Sharif की पेटी over here. That was the first thing that I brought and kept in this kitchen over here. This is mainly like a mandir corner only that they have also given. First drawer over here is very accessible to me because मेरी दवाइयाँ इसमें है and भरपूर दवाइयाँ. This is the first aid drawer. Also some more medicines that I take on a daily basis are in this bowl from Olive Home Accents. Then I've got my fridge जो मम्मी पापा ने मुझे last घर में house warming के लिए दिया था. I have some fridge magnets. I have not accessorized my fridge that much, but I've got my YouTube Shorts के Polaroids because YouTube Shorts पे masterclass was a very big moment for me. I've got this fridge magnet from Santorini and मम्मी पापा का photo भी है. Fridge के ऊपर I've made like a turkey corner because I loved turkey. Okay, and turkey का खाना इतना मस्त है. So this nice piece of very Turkish looking barni is from Olive Home Accents. ये actually मम्मी को चाहिए, वो मेरे से चुराने वाले हैं because she wants to keep her सामान in this. अगर मेरे घर से गायब हो गया, that means mom has taken it. And I have my Hafiz Mustafa ka coffee and chai from Istanbul, which is not used till now, but I love the dabbis so much. And this small cup from Istanbul, which is like a espresso cup because Turkish coffee उन लोग छोटी-छोटी glasses में पीते हैं. So I have like this little Turkish heaven on my fridge. Then we've got a little impulse heaven happening on the platform. We've got our hum tum or hot chocolate, and I have the impulse coffee जो currently kitchen में use हो रही है, वो सब इधर रखा है. Frothers है, पानी के बॉटल्स है, एवरीथिंग दैट आई नीड वो प्लेटफॉर्म पे ही है. सामने फोक्स एंड स्पून्स के लिए आई हैव अ कॉर्नर. आई हैव माय शुगर, घी, नमक, जो भी, मतलब मैं सिर्फ अंडा ही बनाती हूँ मोस्टली किचन में, या तो गरम करती हूँ चीजें तो घी तेल वो सब तो लगता है. These drawers, some of them are filled. I think इसमें सब कप्स है. पूरा किचन मम्मी ने ही सेटअप किया है. There's drawers for spices that we have over here, and we've got some more kitchen accessories, candles, napkin holders and plates वगैरह नीचे है. Got my microwave. Real चीज बताने के लिए I'm showing you this corner because ये किचन थोड़ा लंबा मुझे मिला है, तो ये खाचा एरिया है जो एक्स्ट्रा स्पेस है where I'm putting my Godox and my ring light because ये फुल टाइम माउंटेड रखना मेरे लिए बेटर है फॉर माई वर्क पर्पसेस. बार बार लाइट को डिसमेंटल करके निकालना इज नॉट फंक्शनल. और मेरा स्टूडियो रूम इस बार इतना बड़ा नहीं है कि आई कैन कीप माई लाइट्स इन वन कॉर्नर इन द स्टूडियो रूम. So I've kept them in this khacha of the kitchen which anyway nobody accesses. And we've got my Bisleri over here because I don't have RO purifier. I call for that Bisleri का पानी all the time. ये घर में तो गैस हॉब भी आया था, अगर आपने देखा होगा, चिमनी वगैरह सब कुछ आया है. इतना खाना पकता नहीं है. But yeah, I think kitchen is very sorted like that. तो coffee bar के बाजू में we have this separator that is there for the rest of the house, and it's great because AC जब चालू रहता है so it's good to block the air that goes in the rest of the house. But ये घर में ऐसा passage का इतना concept नहीं है, इतना लंबा passage भी नहीं है, which I like because passage में बहुत ज़्यादा space waste हो जाती है. ये घर के साथ ही आया था, and I think it's a great thing to add to your houses. अगर आपको दरवाजा नहीं लगाना है तो ऐसे separators बहुत अच्छे से हवा block करते हैं. And इधर मैंने एक bulb लगाया है. I just want to access my washroom or kitchen or something. I keep this bulb on in the night and it's very chic, modern, boho. इधर already एक switch plug था, मैंने वहीं पे lights लगाई है जहाँ switch plugs थे, but I wanted to amp it up with modern lighting. ये एक तरीके का frame I have over here which has all of my favorite people in the world on this one reel photo. मम्मी को ये बहुत ज़्यादा funny लगता है but I love it because जैसे ही मैं studio से निकलती हूँ I see it, when I'm passing the passage I see it. और ये भी मैंने IKEA से ही लिया है. अगर आपको home tour याद है, मैंने बिल्कुल washrooms नहीं दिखाए दिखाया था बिकॉज दे वर नॉट दैट ग्रेट, बिल्कुल अच्छी कंडीशन में थे नहीं, बट अभी थोड़ा सा मैंने उसको टाइडी अप एंड रीवैम्प किया है. टाइलिंग्स तो आई कुडंट चेंज बिकॉज दे आर टू एक्सपेंसिव, सो आई जस्ट एडेड लाइक स्मॉल accent pieces, which is this storage unit from IKEA that has nice storage inside and it's got a mirror also ऊपर. बहुत ही अच्छा piece of furniture है ये. Main तो mirror ही होता है bathroom में when you're brushing your teeth, when you want to do makeup, touch up, all of that. It's important. I added some new tissue holders over here. We've got my soap dispenser, all of that. And ये सब तो घर के साथ आया था. इस पे सब मैंने अपने products लगाए. And I got all the bathroom fixtures changed. जो मैं change कर सकती थी, I got it changed. Taps नहीं बदल पाई because उनका वो fixture पुराना है, but I got the shower unit changed and I got the hand shower also changed. So now this bathroom is in a lot better condition as compared to जो मुझे मिला था. Deep cleaning करा के मैंने pots भी change करा दिए, so that it's very user friendly. I have this apartment for the next 3 years, so all these small expenses मुझे करने थे ताकि मैं चैन से जी पाऊँ, और मेरे लिए bathroom बहुत ज़्यादा important है. Now if you know in a house the concept is कि कोई areas में बहुत चहल पहल होती है. That's the area where everybody sees, people enjoy, and you know that's the active area of your house. So the bedroom in my house is the passive area. बिल्कुल कुछ भी नहीं किया. जितना फैंसी श्मैंसी आपको ये पूरा घर दिखाना, उतना ही बेडरूम मैंने एकदम प्रैक्टिकल रखा है. बिल्कुल हाथ भी नहीं लगाया बेडरूम को. एंड जो मेरा एग्जिस्टिंग सामान था और जो घर में आया था उसी के साथ समथिंग आई कट पेस्टेड एंड केप्ट इट सुपर सिंपल बिकॉज बेडरूम इज द वन प्लेस वेयर nobody else goes. Only I go to sleep at the end of my very exhausting days. So let's give you a sneak peek quickly into my bedroom, which is very plain white, comfy, cozy, and super simple. I'm a very bright person otherwise, and I like the stimulation that color gives me, but at the end of my day I don't want any stimulation with color. I don't even bring my laptop in my bedroom. I just come here and sleep, maybe watch movies or listen to some songs. That's it. So I just keep my iPad. That's the only device जो मैं bedroom में लाती हूँ, and एकदम simple रखा है. ये wardrobes घर के साथ आए थे तो इसमें सब मेरे कपड़े हैं, and all of my clothes I have filled into my wardrobe. Super messy right now, so I don't want to show you all the wardrobes. I'm getting used to where I'm keeping my things. Maybe once I am used to it, तभी मैं आपको wardrobe tour दे पाऊंगी. And यहाँ पे I'm not very happy with this corner. Honestly, मुझे आपसे ideas चाहिए कि ये open shelving में क्या रखना है और कैसे इसको डिजाइन करूँ, because मुझे कुछ नहीं सूझ रहा था इसमें क्या करना है. I've just randomly kept my bags and my Jordans, my new Jordans जो मैं सिंगापुर से लाया, जो बहुत जल्दी हॉल आने वाला है. Everyday tote bags, my मुसल्ला, my दुपट्टा, my gym bag and my इस्त्री, एकदम functional चीजें इधर रखी हुई है currently. I've got my planner, notebook, some books that I read. I've got my rose quartz crystal, certain details over here. जो accessibility का सामान है वो रखा है, थोड़ा decor pieces भी रखा है, but I still have to figure out a smart way to make this because it's looking very cluttered at the moment. I'm not very happy with it, to be very honest. Bedroom का अगर हो सके बाद में maybe I might do a transformation when I'm feeling more creative about the bedroom, because I want a more soothing, calming bedroom without it being very stimulating or crowdy, noisy and functional at the same time. This bed came with the house, so I have used it with my mattress. तो इसके ऊपर मेरा mattress चढ़ाया है, which is an orthopedic mattress, and this bed also, to be honest, is not strong at all. Okay, काफी हल्का बेड है, already crack हो रहा है. जब मैं इस पे सोने जाती हूँ तभी इसमें से आवाजें आती है. So I am going to talk to my owner. इस बेड को if I can exchange with a new bed or probably the old bed which I had. I have a lot of cushions because I like good backrest. ये bed में अच्छा backrest नहीं है. Got this cushion that YouTube Summit में मुझे मिला था with my channel's name on it, which is my name, and this YouTube cushion जो मेरे friends ने मुझे starting of my YouTube channel में दिया था. And then I've got this cactus pillow जिसको मैं पकड़ के सोती हूँ. Got my quilt. I have a watch currently. ये कीला already दीवार पे था इसलिए मैंने इधर watch लगाया है. बहुत useful है of course. Time देखने I have to be punctual and try to be on time wherever I go. And over here I've put this new light from IKEA. It's called the Flugbo light. और मुझे लगा कि ये warm है, but ये actually white light है. तो इसमें मेरा थोड़ा पचका हो गया कि मुझे लगा warm lighting होगी, मस्त एकदम room warm होगा, because bedroom I do want warm, but it's actually a white bulb, so I have to get that changed. Either I can do a lot in my bedroom and transform it, or I'm very happy with how white, comfy, cozy it is, and I'm gonna keep it that way for as long as I can. अभी ideally the side table और side table drawers होने चाहिए थे, but like I said मैंने एकदम cut paste वाला काम किया. जो सामान बच गया मैंने bedroom में डाल दिया. तो ये मैंने by mistake IKEA से खरीद लिया था, and carpenters ने इसको assemble भी कर दिया था. I couldn't exchange it. I thought I would use this in the bathroom ताकि मैं इसमें bathroom का सामान रख सकूं, but मेरे bathroom में जगह थी नहीं, and then I couldn't use it in the bathroom, so I'm using it at the bedside. I have a lot of my day-to-day stuff, you know, all my body lotions. I've got my earbuds, creams, all of that, lip balms, lip oils, all of that, but it's not very easily accessible. Drawer होता था तो मैं बेड पे बैठे-बैठे drawer खोल के use कर सकती थी, but because ये cupboard है मुझे झुक के जाके देखना पड़ता है कि अंदर क्या सामान रखा है, तो इतना फंक्शनल नहीं है, बट बिकॉज आई परचेज्ड इट, इट्स असेंबल्ड, तो आई एम यूजिंग इट, इट्स ब्रांड न्यू ओनली. एंड जो सामान मैं करंटली यूज करती हूँ उसके लिए आई हैव यूज्ड दिस ट्रे फ्रॉम ऑलिव होम एक्सेंट्स, एंड आई हैव पुट माय डे टू डे का हैंड क्रीम, फेस क्रीम, my current serums and gua sha, my lip mask. I have my favorite candle of all time, which is the White Barn Mahogany Teakwood High Intensity from Bath and Body Works. तो खाली खोलने से ना पूरे घर में इतनी मस्त खुशबू हो जाती है. And this lamp guys from IKEA, आप लोग सबको ये लैंप लेने की जरूरत है. 550 रुपए का लैंप है. मैं बोल रही हूँ, मैंने लास्ट टाइम भी ऑन अ बजट बेडरूम किया था ना, एडेड दिस, बट इट गिव्स ब्रिलियंट लाइटिंग ऑन माई फेस. जो भी मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे आप लोग स्टोरीज देखते हो जिसमें मेरे फेस पे लाइट है, सब यही लैंप है और इतनी सॉलिड लाइट देता है, और ये 2 साल से मेरे पास है और अच्छा खासा चल रहा है. दिस इज द बेस्ट इन्वेस्टमेंट आई हैव मेड. अभी करंटली मेरे पूरे बेडरूम में सिर्फ ये एक ही वार्म लैंप है. पर्सनल जर्नल एंड डायरी एंड पेन. आई पेन डाउन एट नाइट, आई डू माय जर्नलिंग, सो आई हैव केप्ट इट हियर. इफ यू गाइस नोटिस, आई हैव 2 ACs ओवर हियर बिकॉज ये विंडो एसी घर के साथ आया था, बट विंडो एसी बहुत ज्यादा आवाज करता है तो मुझे आदत नहीं है इतनी आवाज में सोने की. दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव केप्ट इट. आई माइट हाइड इट लेटर विद समथिंग, बट फॉर नाउ वो ऐसे ही पड़ा है. एंड आई हैव एडेड माय स्प्लिट AC जो मेरे पास पहले से था लास्ट घर से, and I'm using this only. And over here I've added my dream catcher जो मैंने Santrini से परचेज किया था. And मेरे पुराने पर्दे जो पुराने बेडरूम में थे वो ही लगाए हैं इधर, ये IKEA से ही है. They're just right to block light and just enough to, you know, let me sleep in the night and give me privacy that I need in my bedroom. But the thing about IKEA curtains is that एक बार धुल गए ना तो इनका पूरा शो चला जाता है, which is why I invested in the other curtains because IKEA के सस्ते हैं no doubt, but other curtains look more grand. And that completes everything that I had to show you all in my bedroom. So that was the smaller room that you all saw, which was the bedroom, and now for the bigger room that we have, that is the studio room of the Sarah Squad Studio 2.0. अगर आपने empty home tour देखा, you would know कि जो bed था वो पहले ये रूम में था, बड़े वाले बेडरूम में था, because it's a master bedroom. But I changed the concept around मेरे हिसाब से, क्योंकि मुझे जिस चीज की आदत है वो है काम, and I like the bigger room, more space to work. तो बेड यहाँ से उठा के हमने छोटे रूम में बेडरूम बना दिया और बड़े रूम को हमने स्टूडियो रूम बना दिया, which is like an office/content creation zone for me. काफी लोग मुझे comments में पूछ रहे थे when I put a tour of this room that where are you going to film your sit down videos. तो sit down videos के लिए I'm going to continue using a lot of spaces in the house because अभी काफी जगह हमने एकदम aesthetically बनाए हैं शूट करने के लिए. But also I can just turn this chair around and sit over here while the camera is rolling from there and film my sit down videos, and it's perfect for me like that. तो एकदम सोच समझ के space planning, color planning, accents planning, aesthetic planning, हर एक चीज हमने उसी हिसाब से की है. Of course also the best lighting in the house comes in this room. तो उस हिसाब से भी ये स्टूडियो रूम एकदम परफेक्ट हो गया. ये रूम में जितनी भी चीजें हैं उसके डिटेल्स अगर आपको चाहिए तो you will find it in my studio room tour, which is a separate video on my channel. So don't forget to check that out. But that pretty much completes everything for my Sarah Squad Studio Home 2.0. I'm so thrilled to be finally sharing this with you all because we've put in so much effort to bring this to life. Always हर एक चीज में मेहनत तो जाती है. जिस तरीके का डिटेलिंग और बारीकी से काम किया ये घर में, एंड जो इमोशन ये घर में डाला है from the point of view that we might be able to make memories here for longer, is what has attached me to this space even more. I really hope you guys enjoyed हर एक चीज जो हमने ये घर में की है. It's much more mature, it's much more different to what my last Sarah Squad Studios was, but that's just a literal representation of what my journey has also been as a creator, as a person, and in general with my team and my Sarah Squad. I hope you all enjoyed, and of course for today's video the Sarah Squad shout out is my Sarah Squad because you all are the reason I am here. मैं हर वीडियो में हर एक milestone पे आपको ये बोलती हूँ कि only because you guys support me and you all show me the love you all do and you all continue to take interest in whatever I am showing you all is the reason that I am here today. So thank you for all the love, for all the support, and may we continue to grow, create content, have fun, and make a lot of memories, have a lot of gadbad, both happy, bad, everything happens over here, and I will continue to share that with you all in Hustle with Sar. I will see you in my next video, that is tomorrow for Vlogmas. So see you guys. Bye. Take care. Love you all. Mwah.